If you isolate yourself too long, your faith begins to fade. Your concentration in prayer weakens. Your ability to recite Quran disappears. Your fasting becomes difficult, not because Allah abandoned you, but because you handed yourself to Shaitan. In hardship, you must seek out righteous company, people who remind you of Allah. Ibn Abbas said the foundation of dunya is hardship. The best worship is waiting for relief from Allah during hardship. If you see your trials through this lens, you will realize that every moment of patience is an act of worship. If you constantly complain, Allah will give you more reasons to complain. But if you are patient, Allah purifies you. Calamities are a cleansing for the believer. They prepare you for Jannah, the purest place. Ibn Abbas said, "In every difficulty there are 3 blessings. It could have been worse. It is in worldly matters, not in your faith. Do not make our calamity in our religion. It is in this world, not the hereafter. Losing money is nothing compared to losing faith. Worldly losses can be repaired, but when faith is lost, only Allah knows if it will return. We are blessed, all of us, even when we don't see it. We have Allah. The disbelievers have no Lord. But you have Allah. And if Allah is with you,